TechBiz 3D Pen upgraded 3D printing pen for kids. Check this wonderful toy for kids and adults. TechBiz 3D printing pen is a perfect toy that promotes children to improve spatial thinking, cultivate creation and artistic skills. It has environmental friendly material. TechBiz M1 3D pen is compatible with PLA material. The package includes 2-pack PLA filament for test. The PLA filament is a more eco-friendly, safer material than ABS. It has one-button control and advanced intelligent chip. M1 is featured with one-button control for drawing. As easy as writing, integrated with new intelligent chip for steady temperature and constant speed control for a much smoother experience. It has USB power supply. TechBiz 3D printing pen can work both with power bank, computer, laptop or AC USB adapter. Check the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.